Ole ole to all football fans, soccer if you're American. This is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty do-it-yourself aquascape. Why pay the exorbitant price for an aquascape when you can do it yourself? All you need is a hammer, safety goggles, gloves, optional small mallet, chisel, superglue, superglue accelerator, and marine substrate dry live rock. Now you can get some aggression out by breaking the larger rocks into smaller ones for the aquascape. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. All you do is fit the pieces together into a shape or shapes that will fit your aquarium object constancy. Join the pieces with superglue, then spray some accelerator on it. This allows you to continue adding more pieces rather than holding the pieces together for a long period of time. Your biggest concerns are smashing your fingers with the hammer and getting your fingers stuck together from the superglue. Now you should be wearing goggles, so that will protect your eyes. Once you completed all your pieces of aquascape, you then crush some of the rocks into powder and rubble. This is used to help hide the seams and also allows new additions to your aquascape. After all these pieces come together, it looks like a fantastic piece of art. The best part is you can now mix and match, making a unique, one-of-a-kind aquascape. Final step is to check and make sure that your aquascape fits your aquarium. Ole ole, all done. This is a DIY project. It is a work of art that you will enjoy for years to come. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.